Legendary, legit misfits.
Bakit kami lang? We got Nate and Jay
And
now.
Nate and Jay, of course.
Di ba ako legendary din? Alam mo.
Bakit gano'n? Bakit gano'n?
No, just a few questions. One love, good vibes, hip hop on a positive note. What's keeping you guys busy these days?
Well, as individuals
As individuals and as a whole.
well, I'll go first. See, I got radio, part of Radio 91, you know, and I go on board. And at the same time, I still do clubs. You know, I'm at Republic and 7 High. At the same time, still recording, still doing music, you know, and spreading love, peace, and happiness in hip hop. Because I'm already a proud member of the Temple of Hip Hop. So there you go. Shout out to the teacher.
Ikaw katabay.
Ngayon, I'm working on some sponsors to make millions. Hindi. Marami ako inasikaso ngayon. Siyempre, DRP.
Yeah, I know you, DRP.
A new compilation coming out really soon. Siyempre, kasama ko sila Oso. Maybe the title ng album in The Game. And yung mga upcoming projects like Legit Misfits coming out soon.
Yeah.
Siyempre, busy kami doing shows with MPZ, Manny Pacquiao.
Nino.
Nino, Manny Pacquiao. And marami pa kaming gagawin. Sana sumuporta pa rin kayo. Yun lang hinihiling namin.
You know, I'm still doing the same thing, radio. Before the MC, now I'm MC DJ. Doing all that club gigs too, you know what I'm saying? Working on the album. Yeah, solo album, man. Eh, hindi ko pwede magpaiwan kay Laluni. That's how it is. So, working on the album, almost done. Watch out collaborations from maybe Asian rappers. Of course, you know, Hoi Body Remix taking over the airwaves now with congratulations to all the people who sponsored that song. And it's doing good. Just watch out. It's gonna be crazy. Something new, something new, something new.
One last question on a positive note. You know, I have this ridiculous dream that I believe that it's possible for us here to fill up Araneta Coliseum, but to me it wouldn't be complete if Legit Misfits is there. If you guys are not there, if 7 Shots of Wisdom is not there. So if you believe that we can do it, how and what would be the process for it to be possible?
Yeah. I think that's how it is. Everybody should say the same thing. Unity. If we're not united, nothing's gonna happen.
Yeah.
I respect that.
That and I guess just keeping everything. How do you say that? Patuloy. Continuous, yes. Never ending. Eternal. You know, that's what hip hop is.
Guys,
Kung sila ng Araneta,
On the rise.
why not?
Do it.
Araneta is a big place.
Yeah.
16,035. You got that.
60,000?
You go to Araneta Coliseum.
I'll be there. I'm going.
JC Parker, Legit Misfits, Nathan J. Much respect, much love.
You know, that's where the Thrill in Manila was, man.
Yeah.
Ali Fraser.
60,000.
Always appreciate you guys. You know heart.
Kailangan pa ng kalahati.
Camera or no
30,000 lang ang pinag-show ko dati. Kailangan pa ng kalahati ulit. To get 60,000 there. You never know, di ba? We never know. Totoo yun, unity first. Then we go that. We get there.
The secret, the power of ano.
Law of attraction.
Law of attraction, right there.
Visualize yourself. Creation.
Malalim yun. Narinig si Kuya Dash?
I think that's how it is really though. I visualized when I was a kid dreaming to perform in Araneta and it happened.
Yeah.
It happened. So it will happen, y'all.
Same, how many times have we did a couple of PBA,
A lot.
right?
A lot.
And
Guestings and all that stuff, openings and all that. But I know what you guys trying to say. If it's the whole hip hop local community can do Araneta and it be good.
Hey,
Thanks, man.
huge shit.
Hey, Mike. I'll see you, man. Puting kalabaw.
Ow!